study subject GK of class 4. Okay. So in the last lecture we have studied about some facts of animals. Yes, different animals we have studied. Now we are going to study chapter number 5, that is insects and birds. Now we are going to study about some birds and some insects, okay, which are around us. Now see, open your workbook, page number 5. Beetles, flies, butterflies, bees and ants all fall in the category of insects. So who fall in the category of insects? Butterfly, bees, beetles, ants and all these things, flies, fall under the category of insects. है ना? Cuckoo is a bird which does not build a nest of its own. So cuckoo never builds its nest. Cuckoo always puts its egg in another bird's nest and cuckoo never builds its own nest by itself. Okay, so that is about the bird cuckoo. Now see, fill in the blanks. The dash and dash are some of the longest living insects. They can live up to 20 years. So you know insects does not have longest lifespan. But here dash and dash are some of the longest living insects. Means their lifespan is very long. How much long? They can live up to 20 years. Their lifespan is about 20 years. So which insect is that? That is beetles and termites. Okay, insect name is beetles and termites. Then dash are one of the fastest of all flying insects. They can fly even backward. So here one fly is there who can fly even backward and is the fastest fly of all flies. So that is dragonfly. Yes. Now see, the dash has its ears near its knees. You know what is knees? Okay. So who has an ear near its knees? We have ears here, right? But this insect has ear near its knees. So that is a grasshopper. Okay. No caterpillar. It is a grasshopper. The light from a dash produces no heat. You know light produces heat, right? But here light from a which insect does not produce heat? It is a wasp or firefly. So what is it? It is a firefly. Okay. Now see. The dash has a baggy pouch of skin under its beak. बीक के नीचे उसको क्या होता है? स्किन का एक बैगी पाउच बना हुआ होता है. किसके लिए होता है? It helps it to swallow a fish. Okay, so that is to which insect it has a baggy pouch of skin? Spoonbill or pelican? So it is a pelican. Pelican has a baggy pouch of skin. स्किन का बैगी पाउच बना हुआ होता है जो उसको फिश को swallow करने में हेल्प करता है. Okay, the dash is a bird which has no wings. You know all birds has a wings, right? So by wings the birds can fly. Okay, so here one bird is such that it has a no wings at all. So that is kiwi. Then the dash is the world's lightest bird. It is very light. So which bird it is? It is a hummingbird. Then a dash cannot fold its wings close to its body as other birds do. So it cannot put its wings close to its body. It has to put somehow little bit separate from its body. Okay. So it holds its wings stiffly out on the side. It holds its wings on the sides. So that is penguin. Okay. Penguin cannot fold its wings very close to its body. It has to somehow put little bit on sides. Okay. Then grasshopper and crickets were there on the earth even before the dinosaurs appeared. So you might not have seen dinosaurs, right? So you might have seen dinosaurs in movies or TVs, okay, on television. But here, what is the question? That when dinosaurs appear, before that also there were two insects. Which were there? That is a grasshopper and crickets. Okay. Then ticks have their sense organs in their leg. So ticks is one kind of insects which have its sense organ in its leg, right? So here now we have completed fill in the blanks. Okay. Now we are moving further with answering one word. This fill in the blanks is there only, but you have asked the answer in one word. Now see, which are the longest living insects? Lifespan of which insects is very long? We have studied. It is beetles and termites, right? So here BEETLES, beetles, and what is the spelling of termites, children? TERMITES, termites. Okay. So lifespan of which insects is very long? Which are the longest living insects? Means lifespan of that insect is very long. They can live for 20 years. So that is beetles and termites. Then who is the fastest of all flying insects? Which flying insects is very fast? So what will be the answer? It is dragonflies, right? So dragon spelling DRAGON, dragon, FLIES, flies. See children, here spelling is very long, so you cannot remember it. So what you can do, you have to first remember the spelling of dragon, then you can remember the spelling of flies. Okay, so अगर आप लोग स्पेलिंग को ऐसे हाफ हाफ करके रीड करोगे तो वो इजीली याद हो जाएगा. When you write the spelling, do not put a gap. Okay, आप लोग रीड हाफ हाफ करते हो, पर उसको लिखना हाफ हाफ नहीं, उसको साथ में लिखना है स्पेलिंग. ये चीज ध्यान रखिएगा. So dragon, 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 FLIES, flies, dragon flies. Then which insect has ears near its knees? So this insect has ears, but where it is near its knees. So that is grasshopper, right? So you know the spelling of grass. So then grass, GRASS, grass. Then the spelling of hop, 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 PPER, hopper. Okay. So that is grasshopper. Remember, GRASS, HOP, PER, grasshopper. Then which insects can fly even backward? So these insects can fly even backward. When the bird fly, you know, it flies front, okay, forward. But here it can fly backward also. So that is pelican, right? Sorry, firefly. So FIRE, fire, FLY, fly. जब लिख रहे हो तो साथ में लिखना है, पर याद करते टाइम अलग अलग याद करोगे तो इजीली याद हो जाएगा. Firefly, FIRE, fire, FLY, fly. So that is firefly. Then which insect has a baggy pouch of a skin under its beak? Why it has a baggy pouch of skin under its beak? Which it helps it to swallow a fish. Okay, that's why it has a baggy pouch. So which insect is that? It is a pelican. So PELICAN. Okay, pelican. PELICAN, pelican. The dash is a bird. Then which bird does not have wings? So we have studied, right? So which bird does not have wings? It is a kiwi. KIWI, kiwi, है ना? Then 7th number, which bird is the world's lightest bird? Means it is a very light in weight. So that is hummingbird. HUMING, humming. Then bird, BIRD, hummingbird. Then see number 8, which bird cannot fold its wings close to the body like other birds? It has to put little weight on the side. So it is which bird it is? It is penguin, yes. So here we will write penguin. Okay. Then see which insects were there on the earth before the dinosaurs appeared. When dinosaurs come to earth, before that 2 insects were there. So which were it? It was grasshopper and cricket. Grasshopper का spelling हमने यहाँ learn किया था 3rd number में, है ना? So grasshopper, GRASS, grass, HOP, hop, PER. Okay, grasshopper. Then another one is which insects? And crickets. Yes, grasshopper and insect, crickets. So there are 2 insects which were there on the earth before the the dinosaurs appeared. Okay. The next question is, which have their sense organ, which insects have their sense organ in their legs? So which insect has sense organ in its legs? It is a ticks. T-I, 10th number will be T-I-C-K-S, ticks. Okay. So clear up till here, children? Okay. So we will meet in the next lecture with our new lesson. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.